The beauty of the view stunned the young boy.
The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox, review and test Maono microphone, which comes in this nice box with full podcasting kit, so you don't need to buy any additional accessories. Some of the most important features are that it is very easy to set up and it is a USB microphone, so just plug and play with your PC, which can be either Windows or Mac operating system. You can see all other features here, so feel free to stop this video if you are interested in more details, as we are going to unbox it right now. On the top you will find the instruction manual, but I will show you in a moment how you can set up the microphone. Then you get the wind foam and pop filter, which is used to minimize the plosive sounds of letters like P, B, T, etc. You should either use wind foam or pop filter, but never combine both of them. In the box you will also find the shock mount, Maono microphone, USB cable, tabletop clamp and boom arm. Now let me show you how you can install it. First fix the clamp on the table, then you can put the boom arm into it and secure it with this screw. Then you can screw the shock mount on top of boom arm and finally put the mic into it by squeezing the metallic part around the shock mount. It is important to note that this is Cardioid polar pattern microphone. This means that when you speak in the direction of the microphone logo, the voice is picked up well, but if you are facing away from the microphone logo, the voice may not be as clear. The purpose of this directional microphone is better noise reduction. And for even better noise reduction, install the pop filter. Now the only thing left is to plug it into your laptop and it will automatically install the drivers and it is ready to use. The pop filter should be around 15 centimeters distance from the mic, and then once you speak into it you can come close to the pop filter. The pros of this mic are very easy to set up, budget friendly considering the full podcast microphone set, and most importantly nice and clear sound. The cons may be a bit bulky boom arm, but this gives big extension so you can work even from the comfort of your sofa if it is close to your working desk. So this is the beauty also, you can sit in your sofa working on the laptop and you can just put it close to you and basically you can do podcast or whatever you want live streaming. And of course it's not that convenient because you don't have the full visibility of the screen, but you can put it a bit further than you, and this is how the sound is. So this is the difference, this is the microphone versus the mobile phone, and of course this is like the podcast for the table, so it's much more comfortable to use it while sitting on the desk, which I will show you right now. So we will start with the default mic on my laptop, which is this microphone, as you can see here, and we have a couple of sentences for the mic testing purpose, so I will read them. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. It snowed, rained and hailed the same morning. Read the verse out loud for pleasure. So this was the default mic recorded by this default sound recorder, and now I will show you how this same sounds using this OBS tool, where it's just applied this filter for the noise reduction for the same mic as you can see here. So this filter noise suppression is there, so the sound will be a bit better. And then we will go for the Maono microphone test. This is now sound from the Maono microphone, and you can see here I set it up as a default microphone, so I'm using it, and we will record the same sentences using this default Windows recorder. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Read verse out loud for pleasure. So that was the default sound recorder from Windows, and let's hear it now how it is using the OBS Studio. And finally we'll hear the same sound basically recorded from the mobile phone, so just normal recording sound, and let's see how that will be from the Samsung S22. Finally, this is the sound from mobile phone, so you can see I'm recording from mobile phone, and let's read the same sentences. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. Read verse out loud for pleasure.
The beauty of the view stunned the young boy.
The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. That will be it from the sound testing perspective. So let me know in the comments below which sound you like the most. Is it from the stock laptop microphone, or from the Maono microphone, or from the Samsung S22 mobile microphone? If you like the Maono microphone, please check the link in the description of this video. You can order it from the official Maono Amazon store, and that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, may peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum.